Hi, it's Brad Canham and Eric Beal again from Fever Inspect. And the reason for this video is we want to, again, take a look at real world conditions where we know a key environmental factor, and that is temperature of the room. Air temperature, ambient temperature is going to change, and that has a significant impact up to 2 degrees Fahrenheit over a 10-degree change in the environment on the measured core body temperature. So I'm going to turn it over to Eric in a second, but I want to show you that we account for that. We have a ambient room temperature in this sensor here, and as far as we know, we're the only company that does this and accounts for what is a very significant safety aspect for detecting fevers, is to make sure that you account for the room temperature. Eric?
Thank you, Brad. So if you can imagine a school, 75 degrees out, you set up one of these systems of any non-contact infrared measurement system, and you set the threshold. Perhaps you even got a nice clinical oral thermometer with a heated probe, one of the proper ones that doctors use at the beginning of every vital signs visit. This will be accurate, and so can the system if you set it up in that 75-degree environment. What will happen in a school, though, is the doors will open up, kids will start coming in, the temperature could decline or change. If it declines by 10 degrees, it will then start underreporting core body temperatures or oral temperature surrogates by 2 whole degrees. This will still report the same thing, but you're not using this anymore. You're not using a system that no longer provides any sense of safety because it's underreporting, simply because it's not tracking and then correcting for the air temperature change.
So again, we're taking a very scientific approach, and one of the key aspects of doing that is to actually gather the data that's important, and that includes the temperature of the room. The oral thermometer that Eric showed you is the gold standard for a contained environment under someone's tongue, where that can be carefully, it's going to capture the information correctly. So, but you need to do the same kind of thing with an infrared camera, and what we've seen in real world conditions, schools, retail environments, professional buildings, all the places where our devices are being deployed, is that it's important to capture that ambient room temperature,